Hey folks, Bullet Wolf here, and I'm currently in my apartment because of what's going on outside. So, this is my view of my building's second floor terrace and what it looks like so far with the amount of snow on it. For those of y'all not, for those of y'all watching that are not in the United States, we are currently going through a vicious cold snap that has brought the snow to the New York City region. And I don't know how many inches it's going to be when it's done, but right now it looks like a good 4 inches has piled up outside. And I'm just surprised that anybody that's outside right now, like this is weather that you don't really want to mess with. Um, Black ice on the roads. I mean, not well. Actually, it's white now, but when the plows come through, and right now it looks like no plows have come through the two streets that are behind my building. So hopefully it's not too bad when it ends. As for me, I'm going to stay inside, stay warm, and work on some more videos and shorts for you guys. So I appreciate all you guys watching the shorts, but also please check out the long form videos. I'm trying to do a little bit more of those. But for now, stay safe, stay warm, especially if you're in New York, in the United States, and stay in your dens. All right, later. Like, comment, and subscribe. Touch y'all later. Peace.